Hello, I'm Dr. Tiina Meder and I'm here to answer the questions about the cleansing. Should I cleanse up the skin in the morning? Yes, we should, because our skin doesn't sleep at night and has very active life. So cleansing is the best way to refresh the skin after this night shift. Do you need a double cleansing? Yes and no. It depends on what you applied on your skin before. If you are using daily light makeup or just the skincare, very probably you don't need double cleansing, you will be happy with a normal cleansing product. But if your makeup is a bit heavier or if you are using waterproof sunscreen, you should use double cleansing. The best way to cleanse up your skin from heavier makeup or waterproof sunscreen is to use makeup removing towel followed by the skincare cleansing product. How to choose the right cleanser? Different skin types need different cleansing products. Sensitive and dry skin benefits a lot from the gentle cleansing, so go for oil-based, creamy textures. Oily skin needs more powerful cleansing process, so you can choose products enriched by semi-regulating ingredients. And obviously all skin types benefit a lot from microbiome-friendly cleansers with prebiotics and probiotics. What is the best device to cleanse out the skin at home? Surprise, hands. Please leave all brushes and tools to professionals. Redness after the cleansing. Is it normal? Most of the time it can be explained by the reaction to the water temperature, but sometimes it's reaction to the cleanser itself. For example, our energy cleanser is enriched with niacinamide. Niacinamide is re-energizing ingredients, reviving the microcirculation process, so it's perfectly normal to experience redness 10 or 15 minutes after the cleansing. If you're confused about the cleansing or you have any question, ask a professional.